When you install the program, this is what you'll see, and it comes with the initial program already set up, or sorry, original project already set up. It's called Chessboard, and the control top will be 50 from the top, and the control left will be 100 from the left. The control width is 75, the control height is 75. Font size is 25, and the font color is black, and the back color is white. The control type is button. The vertical gap between the controls is 2, the horizontal gap is 2. The number across, as in a chessboard, is 8 and 8 down. We create the chessboard, and we'll see we have 64 controls. We click OK. So we start a new project, and between the two class statements we paste our code, and then we click run, or start I should say, and you see we have our chessboard. And not a very good chessboard, so what we need now is some extra code, some extra text to paste in. If we go to our folder and we see added code, double click on that, copy it, then we go to our and we paste the code and then here on our form we have our button 1 there, which should now be associated with that code. Yep. Now we click start, and if we click on our button, there we have our chessboard. You will also need to install, to make this work properly, you need to install the Traveller font, which is Traveller Standard, and of course the click event hasn't yet been set up, but that should be, we'll leave that up to you, and it should be reasonably easy. Let's now do something else. Let's start from scratch. We'll do a text boxes array. We'll call it text box, and we'll have the control top starting at 100, and we'll leave the control left at 100. We'll have the control width at 300 and the control height at 30. Font size at, let's say, 20. The font color will make blue. The back color will leave it white. It'll be a type text box. The vertical gap between the boxes will be 2 again. Horizontal gap would be 2. No, there's no horizontal gap, so we have to leave that at 1, and none across, leave that at 1, and we'll have down, we'll have 16. Copy to the clipboard, 16 controls, and we'll start our if we delete all this, now we paste our new lot of code in between the two class statements, and we click the start, and we'll see that we have our text, but the horizontal spacing is not right, so we need to change that, and we do that by adjusting this number. We'll change it to 20. And there we are, we have our text boxes. You can play with it as much as you like. Hope you enjoy the program. Thank you. we paste our new lot of code in between the two class statements, and we click start, and we'll see that we have our text, but the horizontal spacing is not right, so we need to change that, and we do that by adjusting this number. We'll change it to 20, and there we are, we have our text boxes. You can play with it as much as you like. Hope you enjoy the program. Thank you.